Hey, what's up, everybody? This is J Pat here. We're going to do fried seitan in under 5 minutes. These are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to get a pot of water, put it on the stove, start boiling that, and a bowl, mixing bowl. So these are the non-beef cubes. It's going to go into the pot of water. Okay, get that pot of water nice and hot and simmering. And then over off to the side, we're going to put a cup of chickpeas inside of the bowl. We're going to take that cup of chickpeas and start mashing them with a fork. After you start mashing with a fork, we're going to add a cup of water, and we're going to do 1 teaspoon of fresh garlic and a half a teaspoon of all these dry ingredients inside of the water and the chickpea mixture. Okay, so here goes the water and then all the other ingredients. You can stop it, and put all these ingredients as you go. So boom, boom, boom. Simple, okay? And then once we get all these here, we're going to put in one of the beef cubes in there again and mix it up real good. Just 1 more beef cube goes into that mixture. Here's the Vital Wheat gluten. Vital Wheat gluten, you're going to put a half a bag of that bag of Vital Wheat glutens in there, or 2 1/4 cup of the Vital Wheat gluten. Mix it with a fork until it's thoroughly mixed, and then you're going to get your hands in there, right? Don't try to break it up too much. You want to keep it formed, all right? No, don't fold it. Just mash it together. See that fold right there is really not what you want. You want to keep it all together in a nice form and just mash it, turn it, mash it, and put your fist in there like I'm doing right here, and everything's going to turn out fine. All right, so that's the kneading you're doing with it. Put it on a cutting board, stretch it out, or you can form this into any little thing you want to do. You can do small pieces, big pieces. Right here, I'm cutting it into patties. After I cut it into some patties, even pieces, I'm going to smush them in my hands like a chicken patty, right? Put it on my board over here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in my boiling water that had the non-beef cubes in there, and I'm going to let this simmer. All I'm going to do is let this simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour with the lid on. Okay, it's going to puff up like this, nice and look like patties. Okay, they're going to double in size. Put them on a sheet rack to let the water out of it, and then look, fry it up how you want to fry it up. Either you're going to do it like a wash or just flour. I just use flour here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fry it, right? So you can take those strips and actually do other things with it. You don't have to fry it. You can saute it. You can do all types of things with it when it was that form. But here it is. I breaded it up. I fried it. And here it is in front of you. All right. Nice and crispy. All right. On both sides. And then I'm going to show you as I cut it up. So look, this can go in a sandwich. This can go, with some gravy over top of it. All types of things, just basically like a country fried steak, chicken fried steak that is, but it's delicious. Juicy on the inside and flavorful and crispy on the outside. Gotta love it. Country fried steak or whatever you want to call this, but this is Seitan fried patties. Gotta love it.